In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use floating windows on your Infinix phone. So to begin, first head over to your settings, scroll down till you get to special function, tap it, then tap floating windows. So if yours is disabled, just tap here to enable it. And you have a few options. So I'm going to show you how to use some of the options. The first option is swipe up with 3 fingers to enable floating mode. So let's say you open the Chrome browser. I'm going to use 3 fingers now and swipe up. You can see the Chrome browser is now a floating window. So I can have Chrome over here, and then I can open another browser, and I can do all my browsing on this one while I do other things on Chrome. You can also change the size of the floating window if you want, and you can swap the floating windows. So if you tap on these 3 dots up here, you're going to see a switch. If you tap here, it's going to make the second browser the floating window and Chrome the main window. If you wish to close the floating window, you can tap on this X button up here and the window will be closed. And as you can see, Chrome is now the main window. So that's how you use the swipe up with 3 fingers. You can also enable floating windows via your notifications, but I don't use this. But if you want to, just tap this and then enable it from here. Then you can choose the app that you want to float whenever you receive a notification from them. Normally I like it when the app opens completely. There's also this option. I haven't used this one. I don't really like how it works and I don't even know how to explain it, so I'm not going to talk about it. So in the previous video I talked about this option, the smart panel option. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description of this video, but after you enable it, whenever you open an app using the smart panel, it's going to open as a floating window. So this way you can be on another app and then you may want to check something, so you can just open the app from here and it's going to open as a floating window. Another way you can convert a window into a floating window is by accessing your recent apps and then by tapping on this icon up here. And you can see now that this is now a floating window. If you don't see this option when you access your recent apps, it means you are using another launcher, so you need to switch to the XOS launcher. I have a video showing you how you can select your default launcher on Infinix. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. So that's how you use the floating window option on Infinix phones. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.